everyone, I'm over here at LeSord Chrysler Products in Sodus, New York, looking at a brand new 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee in a deep brown color with a pearl coat. Really awesome looking, chromed out as well. You've got chrome wheels, accents, dual chrome tipped exhaust, a backup camera here on the back of the hatch. This is the Summit Edition. Power lift gate on there as well. You just press the button on your remote. Let that didn't work, press it again. So tons of room for storage back here. You do have the V8 engine in here, subwoofer in the back, 12-volt charger, floor mats are still wrapped up, and you have a leather cover for the back here. You've also got a flashlight. Let's go over to the back. We've got brown leather seats, really awesome looking. These are actually heated back here, and then this middle part folds down for 2 cup holders and an armrest. You've got the dual pane sunroof, you can see covers the entire top of the vehicle there. Plug-ins, USB plugs, 115-volt charger, lots of storage space as well. Premium audio system in here. Climb in the front here. It is a push to start, and there's also an auto start here in your key. So here is a look at everything as it starts up. Look at the dash there. That middle screen is actually all digital. That's your information center. You've got lots of controls here on your steering wheel, menu controls, voice recognition, cruise control, adaptive cruise control, paddle shifters, and there's also media controls that are back here. Overhead you have your HomeLink system, buttons to open and close your sunroof. You can open the tailgate from right here. Assistant 911 on your rear view mirror. AM/FM satellite radio. This is all touchscreen as well, 8.4-inch screen. Really easy to use. You've also got media center controls, heated and vented seats up here, climate controls, navigation programmed right into the vehicle, and then you can pair your phone up with this. There's lots more to this Jeep Grand Cherokee, so come on down to 49 West Main Street in Sodus, New York, and test drive it today. We're there at LeSord.com, Facebook, and Twitter to answer any questions you might have about it. Thanks for watching, guys. We really hope to see you soon.